Okay, so to start, as a local admin, you're gonna go to sign on options. You're gonna select domain join instead, and here you're gonna put whatever admin. You can put like local admin, and then enter a password, and then confirm. This is gonna be the questions. It doesn't matter for us. I need to select something. And yeah, do whatever. Yeah. Right. This is next. This doesn't matter because afterwards, when it applies the profile, everything is gonna be controlled from the Intune portal. So this is just doesn't matter. Let's pause a little bit more. Okay, so after the initial installation, we're gonna log in as admin. This is Windows Hello. Let's wait for this to finish. I will stop a little bit. Okay, so it started. This you can close this, doesn't matter. Now we're gonna open PowerShell as admin. Okay, give me just a second. Yeah. Let's run it as admin. Okay. I will paste some command lines and afterwards I will put them on the video info. So the first one, yeah, because it's admin, it doesn't allow you to clip that, so you need to clip on the notepad or something like that. It's extremely slow. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. And notepad. And now we can copy paste. There you go. This is the first one. It's to get the Autopilot info. Okay. We will prompt from some things. You can put yes. And I'll paste the second command line. It's gonna be for the authorization. Okay. Then this is to get the hash file. Okay. This is a yes as well. And last but not least, yes. After we run these command lines, we need to upload the hash CSV to the Intune portal. So let me go ahead and log into the portal. And to admin portal, enter here, and I will use my admin account. Let me check this because I don't know by heart. These I know. Okay, give me just a second. Right. Okay, that's it. Let's see if it finish up this. Let's finish up, and let's use the unrestricted for permissions. This is a yes, quick yes. Or here you can even put A, so it's gonna be to all. You are not liking my A. Oh, there you go. And that's it. And now we need to go to C. Sorry, but it's a little bit slow, my internet today. Okay, let's go to C. That's perfect. Now we gonna generate. I go. Okay, that's perfect. Now, as you can confirm, if you go to C, there is the hash file that we wanted. Now to upload this, we need to go to the portal. On the portal, we need to go to devices and Windows on enrollment. And we go to Windows devices. And we're gonna import here. This is a test that I did before. So this is import the CSV here. We're gonna select the file, and the file is on C. You can do multiple devices at once. Okay, there you go. This is correct. Total 1. It's importing the device. right? So for the device, all that we needed, it's done. When we finish up this, we can go ahead and reset the machine. Now we will need to create the groups and the profile. So for that, let me put on the better window so we can see it better. This is done, this is done, and that's done. All right. So afterwards, let's create the group. I have one created before, but I will create a brand new one with you. So let's go to groups. On group, we're gonna create a new one. Okay. This is gonna be, I think it's security, that's right. Enter the group name, so we're gonna name it Autopilot Enroll Group. That's all right. This we don't need it. And this is gonna be a dynamic device group. So yeah, this is a dynamic group. Enter roles assigned to the group. That's all right. Next. We gonna go to we need to set this up. So here we have options. Okay, so we have different options to do this here. Let me show you how it's gonna be. I have a documentation here open so I can share with you. This is the type of options that we have to insert there. So you can go and do a ZTD ID, and this is gonna apply for all, includes all of the Autopilot devices. But if you want to go by group tag, imagine that you want to do different a different batch for the IT guys, for the IT department, the financial department, the human resources department, or wherever. You can use the tag, and then you can specify which order you want to apply the tag on, or which group or whatever. So let's gonna use this one, and or with the specific order. This is this is quite the same thing. To create a group that includes, you can specify group. So let's use the last one. Okay, it's quite the same thing, but one is purchase order, the other is order ID. That's all right. Let's use this one, and let's go back to the portal. Where did I put? Oh, it was on the right place. Sorry, I put it here. So let's use this one, and instead of all of these, let's put, for example, IT department, IT dep, all right? You see the examples here. Marketing contains user. These are other examples, but we are gonna go with the device and not the user one. Let's use this one. It's gonna. You can validate this if you want to see if it works. And we are just gonna go ahead and save it. Okay. Let me just copy. Let me just copy the name that I put it here so I don't forget this. IT dep. I have a tendency to forget stuff. Okay, this is okay. Oh, now I need to cut. But I don't want to edit. All right. Cannot go out of this. How amazing this is. Yeah, it's amazing. I cannot go without having to edit something. My God. Let's put one here. So I can save it and I can go back crazy. But yeah. And now we need to select the group of people that's gonna affect. So the users that's gonna affect, right? So let's go and owners, this doesn't need, that's all right. Okay, let's check. The group is created. This is the one, and the other one was a test. So here on the members, we still don't have nothing, right? We need to add members here. And for that, we need to use the tag that we just created on the device. And let's go to the devices, Windows, no, sorry, on the enrollment, but the device is on the enrollment. So there you go, it's not assigned. Let's put the group tag here, and it's this group tag. And let's give a name to this device. So we know that this comes from Autopilot. Autopilot device. Okay, you can name it wherever you want, or wherever it's your preference. This is gonna take a little bit to sign all of these. I'm gonna pause a little bit the video and I will come back afterwards. Okay, meanwhile, while this signed stuff, let's go ahead and create the profile. So to create the profile, we will go to the enrollment device again, enrollment, and here on Autopilot for Windows, we have the deployment profiles, okay? This was the one that I already created, so, but I'm gonna create a new one with you. Let me see if I don't miss nothing. Create the profile. Perfect. So let's give a name for this. New Autopilot Autopilot profile. Let's go next. Now it's user driven. That's all right because it's the user that it's gonna start the deployment, input the credentials. So that's what we want. We want to enter join this situation because it's a full cloud solution. I have mine. It's sync with the local, so I can use hybrid as well. But for today, we're gonna go with the interjoin. You have a couple of things here that you can change, or you can tweak on for what you want. We're gonna do hide. So that's all right. Standard, no, we're gonna not change nothing of this. Yes and no, that's all right. Okay. Let's assign the group here. So to assign the group, we're gonna add. You can use all devices, or you can specify the group. I have a group with my users. We're gonna use the autopilot one. Yeah, that's the one. The autopilot one, and our group is this one. Let's select. Okay, let's gonna next, and let's create it. That's perfect. So we have everything that we need created. Now we need to ensure that the device it's assigned. So let's go to enrollment and go to devices. It's not assigned yet, so we are still waiting for this to sync. So we have an error here. Okay, it's because it was updated recently. And another way that we have to check this, it's go to the groups and go to our group. There is autopilot enroll group, and see if on the members the device appear here. It's not here yet, so we need to wait a little bit for this. Okay, let me just check everything. It's right. This is right, so the tag is there, and we just need to wait a little bit more. So yes, after a little while, it appears here a sign. I didn't do nothing. This was automatically. The other way that you can check before appears here, if it takes long and you are not certain, you are not sure if you did the right thing, you can copy the name of this the serial number of the device here, and you can go to devices, and then sorry, to groups, and then on groups you check inside the group that you just created. Here you have dynamics rule. You have the dynamic rule, and you can validate if the device is correct. So you can go here, you search by the device. He will appear here. You select it, and you see that right away if the status is good or if it's not on the group. So if you are not sure of this, you can check if you did everything right, and if you put the tag on the device, it have to do a green. If you don't put the tag on the device, he will complain about. I can show you, for example, the difference between this one and this guy, for example. That was the other guy that I enrolled before. So select. So you see, when you go to validate, he will complain about it. In here, it will tell you it's not it's not a group member. It doesn't have the group tag. So you need to go there and change the group tag for this device if you want to enroll the device. All right. If you go to members, now you see the device here. Everything is good. This device is ready to go. You can reset the device, and it will gonna import the zero-touch thing. So for that, I will shut down this machine. Okay, let me explain you before that, because if this was a real machine, you have to go here and settings, and you have to reset for default. So you have to reset this machine or reset this computer. Yeah, I have to go here and reset it, right? And then he will reset, and we will ask you for credentials for your tenant. I will not do this because this takes a lot of time to do it. And as is a virtual machine, I have a checkpoint on the initial configuration. So I will just shut it down, and I will revert to the checkpoint. Bear with me. This is just a little bit. Okay, there you go. This is shut down. We want to revert yeah, to the last checkpoint. That's what we want to do. It's reverting. This is may take a little bit. I'm gonna pause the video again. Oh no, that was very fast. So yeah, there it is. Let's start it. There you go. This is the initial one. So you select the region. No, I need to, after we do the checkpoint, we need to just restart the machine. Okay. Oh, not save, sorry. I just wanted to reboot it. I put it save. Oh my god. Turn off. Okay, need to start it now. Now it's gonna catch the autopilot enrollment. This, of course, it needs to be connected to the internet when you start a machine. That's a required, because on the starting process, he will, in Windows Hello, we're gonna check for an autopilot enrollment. And that's the trick. He's importing. Okay, there you go. You right away gonna see that it's a little bit different. You don't choose a lot of things because they are already chosen by you, by the admin. So the user, the final user, will not see that. I don't know if I. Yeah, you see, there you go. It's a different starter. Okay, that's it. Now it's completely different. It's gonna check for everything. It's not asking you for nothing. Normally the user check if he wants to update or not, but it's gonna go with the definitions that it's on Intune. Meanwhile, I want to ask to you guys if I helped you, if this was useful. Please subscribe the channel. You can leave a like on the comment or a comment. This is really important for me. It's a way you have to support my channel and support what I'm doing here. And that's it. Let's finish together this configuration. And that's done. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comments. I will try to answer as quick as possible. That's it. Now it's importing everything and we'll restart the machine. And then you have just to log in with the user that you want. Any user on your organization.